Hey guys, it's Aika, and today I'm taking you on a full day of eating here in Tokyo. This is gonna be a fun one. Please don't mind the bed. It's not made yet. Because I still wanna lie down a bit later. I've been drinking this coffee every morning. I found this in the grocery. Yeah, I started drinking it and it's really good. It's really sweet and creamy. And usually in the morning I always prefer black coffee, but I wanted a change, so. One of the things I love most about Japan is how accessible good food is. Like if you're living alone, you're not fond of cooking, or you don't know how to cook, or you're lazy to cook, it's so easy to just walk to the nearest supermarket or convenience store and find good food, like actual good food. I've been looking forward to this day because I was planning to take you on a full day of eating out here in Tokyo. They were slowly letting like tourists in Japan, so it'd be nice for you guys to know what you can eat here in a day. I'm staying in like the Oshage area near the Skytree, so yeah, I'm gonna take the train going there and I'm just gonna explore, see what's around. It's my first time going to Skytree, to Oshage, and I'm so excited. searching for restaurants to visit here near the Skytree, I noticed that they had the famous shortcake vending machine, which is so convenient because imagine being able to have cake any time of the day. I feel like I'd get so fat here because that's literally amazing. Getting shortcake at night, oh my god. I'm standing in front of it right now and they have so many flavors available. Of course, they have the usual, the original strawberry shortcake. They have chocolate cake, pudding, caramel pudding. I do not know what to get, but I know deep down my favorite one's strawberry shortcake, but at the same time, I want to try something different. I'm so excited to try this. I'm pretty full from the sushi, but I can't end the meal without dessert, so. Freaking love strawberry shortcake! This is so good. It's so fluffy. It's not too sweet. This is making my day 100 times better. If I'm being honest with you, I wasn't feeling well a while ago. I was kind of stressed and overwhelmed with work because in the real world, we work with different people with different personalities. Other people who can't make up their minds, and I don't know, I'm having a hard time dealing with that. I don't really want to go deep into it, but this is turning my day around. Showered, feeling so fresh. I got soup a while ago from the supermarket. This is actually my go-to food whenever I'm hungover. I got it a while ago because it's really good and I'm not really craving for a lot of food. I'm not super hungry, so I just got this because it has vegetables, it has pork, tofu,